11th day of July 2022, we hereby declare that we launch the start of our campaign to return back our Honorable Richard Tong'i. Tong'i tano tena. Tong'i tano tena. Tong'i power. Power. Tal power. Power. Thank you so much.
Good. This day, all of us as ward reps, we have committed ourselves to assist Honorable Richard Tong'i to retain this Nyaribari Chache MP seat. We'll be everywhere to ensure that the Honorable Tong'i gets all the votes. We'll be engaged in the grassroots to reach everyone, the aged, the youth, and the villagers. From this joint hand, Tong'i tano tena. Tena. Tong'i tano tena. Tena. Good.
On this date of today, I would like to thank all of you here who has made this day a success and this process a success. It's not yet a success, but it's going to be a success. We have faith in God and we believe that everything will happen in accordance to God's plan and to our plan. He will favor us. Thank you, and let me say welcome to TTT, all the defectors, and as we have taken the oath and we have accepted that we have owned this process, let us go to the grassroots. We mobilize and hunt many votes for Mheshimiwa Tong'i. Thank you very much.
Power.
Tong'i tano tena.
Power.
TTT power.
Power.
Tong'i power.
Power.
Tong'i power.
Power.
Endeavors hazitaenda bure.
Thank you. Mbiamono abantu baminto ba media. Mbiamono abantu abonse bachirenga iga abana abanyaribari. Ono n'abanyaribari we have made a declaration kuna abantu abamo nandi tukugwa kese nchira yamo. Abana abaminto mu arwesi group ase abantu mwaga support. We want to welcome you to Team Tong'i. TTT. Waonde ngendo tukoma sabana kamo. Togenda sabantu baite binyoro. Una whatever abanene abake to ba educate emejando yokerega igatari ngankende abantu baito mba maiti bo maene ono ngwanda tolikere kenyoro tote ya abantu baito bo maene elinde omuntu kara akorogochora kama yito bo ma o maene do wana ine yes Tong'i power Tong'i power Tong'i power yako teba Tong'i mo teba Tong'i tano tena Tong'i tano tena Tong'i tano tena Tong'i tano tena. May God bless you. We see you on the ground. Thank you. Thank you.